46,000. This is the reported number of children who have taken their own lives in the past 1 year. And even more shocking is the fact that the age group that they belong is between 10 years to 19 years. This made me think, Jay, what was I doing when I was in that age bracket? 10 বছর, 12 বছর, 13, and goes on. And all I could think was that my only worry was আমি কখন স্কুল থেকে আসবো and I'll go out and play. Next day, I would want to be a cricketer. The following day, I would want to be pilot, an army officer, a doctor, and the list goes on. ওই age bracket, the only thing I had were dreams. স্বপ্ন দেখতাম. So when I went through this article published by UNICEF, I'm like, these kids, these children, these teens, why did they stop dreaming? Right? What happened to them that they had to take their own life?